Construction plans. This is a critical part of implementing your ADU on your property. And I will have to admit out of the gate that this is something I don't know much about. And I'm really grateful to dig into this with you about how much of an impact having those construction plans makes.
Yeah. Well, to tell you how critical they are, you will build nothing
Mhm.
until you have a full set of construction plans
Okay.
that you turn into the city that are basically a complete set of plans that tells them exactly what this is going to be, where it's going to be placed, how it's going to be built, and that it has been reviewed by a civil engineering firm and certified that it's structurally safe.
Yeah.
It's made to the standards for earthquake, wind, weather, snow, everything else, and all of the fire safety and everything else, which is a very detailed
Yeah.
set of plans to make that happen.
Okay.
You will not get a building permit
Without
from the city without that.
Okay. Okay. That is a must.
Yeah. So you really need to understand that you can't just go and write on a doodle on a graph paper, say, oh, this is what I want to build, and turn that into the city.
Yeah.
They won't accept that.
Gotcha.
You know, they won't accept that. However, people still try to do it all the time. I talk to building managers, and they say, yeah, I just got one this morning.
Oh no.
You know, but understand you're going to have to create a set of detailed plans.
Yeah.
Now that benefits you more than in just getting the building permit. Once you get a set of detailed plans, you know exactly what's going to be built.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can go to your contractor and give him this set of plans and know that he's got to build that. He knows exactly what's got to be built.
Yeah.
He knows how much he can build that for, and he will give you a cost estimate that will be what you're going to have to pay to get that built. So now you're finally to a point of knowing what your ADU is going to cost you.
Right. You're zeroing in on.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Okay.
However, let me give you just one little piece of information.
Ready?
Take that set of plans,
Okay.
give it to 3 separate builders.
Okay.
You'll get 3 completely different prices.
What am I supposed to do with 3 different prices?
Make the decision as to which one's the best for you.
Okay.
And we'll talk about that when
Okay.
we talk about your contract or stuff like that.
Okay.
But understand plans are critical for you to have.
Okay.
And as it's going to be an expense, you're not going to get out of it. You're going to have to spend anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000
Okay.
to get a set of plans, and that's just a part of the cost.
Yeah.
And you want to evaluate, do I want to spend that? But then you know that you actually have the keys to do it once the city has looked at those and said, okay, this set of plans is acceptable. You can build it.
That's your
You
green
can't
light.
you can't build anything until the city says you can do it now.
Okay.
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 And it's going to cost you some money to get to that point, but that is all a part of the expense that you're investing in.
Yeah.
And we at AD Utah can help you create that full set of plans. And it's just a part of helping you understand what we talked about, designing it so that you understand your privacy and where it's placed and what's going on. We help you really do that. And we do that because we build the plans in a 3D modeling program.
Oh gosh, that's
so
great.
that you can see what your building's going to look like and what the rooms are going to be and how it sits on your property and where things are going to happen. That it really helps you who probably have not built a lot of things in your life.
No.
And you look at something on a piece of paper and say, yeah, that's a great floor plan. What's it going to look like?
Yeah.
Now you know what it's going to look like and how it's going to do. That's really an important part of this.
Yeah. No, that sounds remarkably valuable because I can't conceptualize what that would be without that. So
Yeah.
that's excellent.
Yeah.
How do people get in contact with you guys at ADU Utah?
Great. They can literally go to the contact us on the ADU Utah page. But the easiest way to do it is to just send us an email and send that to hello@aduyutah.com. Really, really simple. Hello@aduyutah.com.